how to fix Roblox stuck on joining server screen. So if you want to fix Roblox stuck on joining server screen, then what you need to do is just watch this video. Now, when it gets stuck trying to join a server, then sometimes when you open Roblox and try to join a game, the screen freezes on joining server. So this can be due to several reasons. First of all, you need to check your Wi-Fi connection and make sure that you are connected to a network with a good signal. And then go back to your Roblox and try to join the game again. And if the problem still persists, you can just go to the App Store or the Play Store, depending on your device. In my case, I have my Play Store. So I'll just simply go with Roblox right here. After searching for your Roblox, if you have any updates on your Roblox, then you just need simply go and update it. And after updating, your problem might be fixed. But even with the newest update or with the latest update, if that still doesn't fix your problem, or if it continues, even after updating, you can try opening a web browser and then search for down detector and open up the downdetector.com website. And in the search bar on the top, you need to simply type in Roblox and choose any of the options that are bothering you, such as a server connection, gameplay, website, or something else. And the web page will allow you to check if an application's server is working correctly or not. So Down Detector is basically a web page that allows you to check if an application server are working correctly. And if it does not, then the last way is to report the problem to your Roblox server. You may need to wait for a few minutes or even hours before trying to join the game again. And that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.